All right, so this is the Oraimo PowerJet 130. It's set to be able to charge laptops. Just to have extra battery on the go. Maybe I'm commuting and I need to edit a video or do some work on my laptop. Extra power. So if your laptop charges with Type C, I think this is not a bad product to have. So the PowerJet 130 has 130 ultra fast charging. It's a 27,600 mAh power bank, and it's written here for laptops and phones. And well, I found out here that it's 130 watts because it delivers a total of 130 watts through two different ports. So the first port here on the device has 100 watts, and the next Type C port has 30 watts. So that gives you a total of 130 watts. Yeah, this is. So I'm going to unbox this now and see how it looks like. It's a really heavy product though, so yeah. Wow, that's some weight. Okay, this is how it comes. So this is the product. Let's check out for other accessories in the box. Okay, this is the charging cable, Type C to Type C cable. Well, that's interesting. This is the first Oraimo product I've seen having a Type C to Type C cable. Then it comes with a pouch, I think, to keep the power bank. That's a nice addition, Oraimo. Then you have your manual, which nobody reads. Thank you, Oraimo. So that's it. I'm going to remove the plastic seal on this. Okay. Clean, neat. So you have three ports here. The first is your 100-watt port that can be used to either charge as an input or discharge as an output, or used to charge a device, and then we have a Type A, USB A, and another USB-C port for out. So that's the 100 watts Type C first one on the top, that's C1, and then the C2 is the 30 watts Type C. You can see the green in there, which probably tells us it's an ultra fast charging port, and I think that's the only port. The back has some inscription written there, I think just some information about the power bank, and that should be it. 130 watts written here. The finish is very nice and detailed. It has some lines in it, which makes it nice. I think this is the button to turn it on. You have a hidden display screen in there, 71% now. Yeah, so this is a small power bank you can carry on the go if you use a MacBook or any nice Type C charging laptop. If you want to just charge a laptop on the go and have a quick charge, I think this is good enough for it. Thank you so much for watching. JT here, and catch you up in the next one.